Aaron here at Oak Tree, and today we're going to show you how to use the Yorkshire Grit Microfine over on the lathe. So we have this piece of epoxy here, and we used a CI3 Easy Wood tools. Now this is not the negative rake, so this is the cut off of just a regular carbide bit. You're going to get a lot cleaner cut with a negative rake than this. So first you're going to apply Yorkshire Original Grit. Apply a little bit on it by hand, and then turn on your lathe. As you can see, that's pretty nice, pretty well back to what the epoxy was prior. But now we're going to use Yorkshire Microfine Grit, which is more meant for epoxy. It's a finer grit than the original. And this is going to really bring that shine back into the epoxy. Again, just applying a little bit of it by hand. And then we're going to turn the lathe on and work it in. Now we're going to clean it off. And so that's what Microfine will make it basically back to what the original epoxy sheen is.